Let's hard reset Samsung A11. Password remove. First switch off the phone. Okay. Now press volume up and power key together. Keep pressing. Yeah, release the buttons. Let's try again. Was late. Okay, let's try again. Volume up, power key. Release power key when you see the logo. Keep pressing volume up. Yeah. Okay. Now from volume down, go to wipe factory data reset. Hopefully you guys can see. Yeah. Okay. Press power key. Okay. From volume down, factory data reset. Now with the power key select is wiping. Is wiped your passwords. Now just reboot with the power key. Okay, yeah. So it's rebooting. Just wait, don't do anything. Can take few minutes. Your battery must be charged 50%, 40% minimum. This is Samsung A11. So just wait, patient, don't press any button. Understand, my friends? All new Samsung is almost same format. Guys, please like video if it helps you. I'm not skipping video. Almost there. See, is Android starting. All phone take 4-5 minutes, max 5. Okay, it's ready to use. Just go next. Put your Google account, accept all terms and conditions. Go next. Connect your Wi-Fi and put your Google card and use it. See you guys in next video. Please like, my video if it is helpful for you. Thank you. Bye.